Update time on the 3 horsepower John Deere. We've got it up on the skids there, and we got our gas tank on there. We pretty much got our piston in there. We got our crankshaft on there. Got the bearings. We've shimmed it up. It's working good. It's like it's supposed to be. Really tight, but loose, if that makes any sense. And then today, why I was getting this, and it's a one-man show around here, so it's rough getting the engine of this size out of the shop, out here in the outdoors. By yourself, one-man show. So, well, we got it done. It took some 2x4s and a lot of muscle, but we got it out here. And we're gonna get the head back from the machine shop. Put valve guides in that. We got the igniter. It's ready to be put on. We do have a magneto, but the inserts in the base are stripped out, so we're going to do something about that. And it's coming along good. It is better than what I thought, actually. Better than what I thought. But I drug this thing out here because I'm supposed to have some company in a couple of days, and I think we're gonna get this thing right here running. So I drug it out here. I'm gonna dust it off and maybe take the gas tank off of it, because last time I remember the gas was smelling pretty bad. So that's probably what I'll do. I'll get the gas tank off that thing, get it cleaned out. I just bought some cream, so we'll probably cream the gas tank, put the gas tank back on, make sure the fuel line's not clogged up anywhere, so when we do get ready to start it, we will be able to make, just know off the bat we're gonna flip the flywheel and off it's gonna go. So, but anyway, I just wanted to give everybody an update. I know this is a lot of talking, so I'll sign off with that, and stay tuned. We'll start up something.